Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install a Tuya smart door lock. Let's get started. First, open the box and make sure you have front and back locks panel, lock body, screws and tools, and user manual. Insert the lock body into the door hole. Fix it using the provided screws. Open a battery cover on the lock and insert the required batteries. Close the cover. You should hear a sound or see lights. This means the lock is powered on. On your iPhone, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the lock keypad, press and hold the reset or setting button. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Wait for a voice prompt or blinking light. This means the lock is ready to connect. In the app, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear. From the menu, tap on Add Device. Select Smart Lock. Follow the on-screen instructions. Connect using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Wait for the app to finish pairing. Tap down when completed. After installation, set an admin password, add fingerprints if supported, and add user's passcodes if needed. Test the lock to make sure everything works. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to install a Tuya smart door lock using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.